Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Let's dive into our word of the day, which is branch. This is a noun that means a part or division of a tree. Imagine a big, sturdy tree with many arms reaching out. That's where you'll find a branch. Beyond trees, the word can also refer to divisions of an organization or areas of study. For example, a company might have a branch office in a different city, or you could explore a branch of science like biology. Let's talk synonyms for branch. One synonym is limb. For example, you might say, the bird perched on the highest limb of the oak tree. Another synonym is division. For instance, this project is being handled by a separate division of the company. These words share a similar idea of a part of something larger. Now, let's look at antonyms for branch. One antonym is trunk, which refers to the main part of a tree rather than its parts. For example, the woodpecker was hammering away at the tree's trunk. Another antonym is root, which describes the part of the tree underground, as in, the strong roots of the tree keep it steady during storms. These words highlight parts of the tree that are quite different from a branch. So, how can you use branch in everyday life? You might say, the cat got stuck on a branch high up in the tree, or we opened a new branch of our coffee shop downtown. Common expressions with this word include branching out, which means exploring new areas or opportunities. For example, she's branching out into photography as a new hobby. Here are a few more sentence examples. The monkeys swung effortlessly from one branch to another. This bank has a branch located in every major city. He studied a branch of engineering focused on renewable energy. That wraps up today's episode of Hello Word. We've explored the meaning of branch, looked at its synonyms like limb and division, and contrasted it with antonyms like trunk and root. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others find the show and join our language learning journey. Don't forget to try making your own sentence with branch and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep growing. Bye for now.